Hello, Sai Ram to all. A very good noon to you all, children. What are you doing now? Are you studying? Watching TV? Then playing carom? Okay, good children. Whatever you are doing, it is good. Give time to studies also. Okay. So today I am going to start with the same chapter, that is playing with numbers. Okay, we will continue that chapter, and today I am going to start your topic, that is prime factorization. Okay, so before starting the questions for this topic, let us see what is prime factorization. What do you mean by prime factorization? Prime factorization is when a number is expressed as a product of prime factors. It means when any number is given to you and its product is expressed as a what? See, you are having prime factor and your that product you are expressing as a prime factorization. That is known as prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization is when a number is expressed as a product of prime factors. So when we will see the questions, then you will understand its definition also very clear. As you can have, we have already discussed the prime factors. Okay, so today we are going to express that prime factor as prime factorization. We can use a factor tree to find the prime factorization of a number. Whenever the prime factorization question will come, it will come as a factor tree method. Okay, you have to represent it as tree method. Let us see what is that. Okay, through some examples. So prime factor, if a tree method is coming, it means you have to express the prime factorization of any number as a tree method. Let's look at some useful definition of this. Definitions are: factors are whole numbers that are multiplied to a equal to get a equal a product. A number is divisible by its factors. It means a number is given, and if we have to find its factor, a number is completely divisible by its factor. So now come to the prime numbers. We have already discussed that has two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. It means it is going in its table only. Composite numbers are numbers greater than 1, or you can say then two whole number factors. Okay, so composite numbers, simply you can say which comes in the table of them and which comes in the table of others also. So like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 comes in the table of 10 also, 2 also, 5 also, which have more than 2, 3 factors. That are simply, don't look at this definition, you can easily say the factors which are having more than 2 factors, that are known as composite numbers. Prime factorization is the form of a number written product of its factor. Simply you can say prime factorization you are expressing as the product of prime factors. Like you can see here, product is given 6 and you are representing its factor as 2 into 3. Okay, see, this is known as prime factorization. Is the form of a number written as a product of its prime factor. Simply you can say the prime factor product is only known as the prime factorization. Okay, written product of its prime factor. Factors you are breaking into 2 and we are getting the product for prime factorization. See, you can look at this question. 12 is given to you. You are breaking 12 into 2 6 12. Okay, so 2 into 6 is 12. So this is 2, this is 6 we have break. Now you have to break 2 again. 2 will not go in any other table because 2 is a prime number. To bring it down to the same level you can write here 2 again. Okay, now see, now it is 6. 6 comes in the table of 2, 3 and 6. So you have to break 6. So 2 3 ja, 2 here and 3 here. So 2 3 ja is 6. As you can see here, 2 3 ja is 6. So what is happening here? This is 2 3 ja is 6. This is 2, this is 3. 2 3 ja is 6. Now at the last we will write all the three numbers. This 2, this 2 and this 3. So this the prime factorization of 12 is the factor of its product. Okay, factors are given 2, 2 and 3, and the product of it is the number that is 12. This is the prime factorization method. You can see here, this is the prime factorization method. This is the tree method. You can see here prime factorization. You can see, look at this. This is only the representation. See, like 24 is given, you can represent it as 2 12 ja 24 or 12 2 ja 24. Now 2 will come as it is down. Now you have to break 2 that is 12. So 2 into 6 is 12. Again break 2, that is 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So what will the factor? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Again this 2 will also come. Okay, I will explain you later on. As you can see here, see, you look here, this is the prime factor. See, for what I am doing, 2 1 ja is like here, right? 2 here, 4 here. 2 1 ja is 2, 2 2 ja is 4. Now 2 6 ja is 12. 2 3 ja is 6. Now 3 1 ja is 3. Until 1 comes down, you have to keep on doing this sum. Okay. So what is the factor of 12? You see, multiply this. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 is 24. So this answers will be this only. Then only the answer will be correct. Okay, question will be correct. So this is the prime factor of the given numbers. Same way they are representing this 8. First they have break 8 4 into 2. Then 2 will come as it is down. 2 is a prime number. It comes in the table of it only. So 2 will come down. Now 4 you will break into 2 into 2. That is 4. Okay. See, look here. Question number 2 is, here are two different factor trees for 60. Write the missing numbers. See, you can look here. It is given here. See, this is 60 and 60 comes in the table of 2. 30 ja 60 or 10 6 ja 60. They have written 6 10 ja is 60. Okay, good. Now how you will break 6? 6 comes in the table of 2 into 3. So 2 3 ja is multiple of this is this. Yes or no? So 2 into what will come here? Here will come 3. 2 3 ja 6. Now here is given 10. This 10 is given here. So this 10 is given. So 5 is given here. What should I write here so that I can get the answer prime factor for this tree method? This tree method I should complete it. See, 5 के table में 10 goes 2 times. So it means here will come 2. 5 2 ja 10. When you will multiply these two number, you will get this 10 here. 5 2 ja is 10. Now we will do same with this number. See, this is 60, this is 30. Now I am breaking 60. If 60 comes in the table of 32 ja 60. Okay. Now I have written, now 30 is given to me. I have break 30 into 10 here and I don't know what will come here. So you divide 30 by 10. 10 3 ja 30. It means 3 will come here. Okay. Again 3 you will write it as it is here. Now break this 10. So 2 into 5. 2 5 ja is 10. Okay. You can see the answer for this here. Very easily they have given. See this. They have written here. Yes. You can look here. 60 is given here. 30 is given here. So 32 ja 60. Now 2 will remain. It is a prime number. 2 will remain as it is. Now break 30. Break 30. What happened? 30. 10 3 ja 30. Okay. Now 3 will remain as it is. Now break 10. 5 2 ja 10. Now look at question number 4. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in the terms of prime factors. So first of all, 4-digit greatest number is what? 9. 4-digit greatest number is 9999. Okay. Now we have to find this 4-digit greatest number prime factor. So what I will write here, because it is contained 9 at the last, it means it will go in the table of 3 and 9 also. Okay. So but we have to break it into two factors. So what we will write here, we will divide it by 3. So when we will divide this by 3, what will come? 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9. Okay. Now 3 will remain as it is. See, look here. उसको आप ऐसे यहाँ तक भी छोड़ सकते. You can leave up to here also, and you can do this 1 into 3. It is also same. Now we have to break this number. Again it will come with 3. 3 से divide करो. 3 1 जा 3. 3 1 जा 3. 3 की टेबल 3 कितनी बार आता है? 1 बार. 3 1 जा 3. 3 1 जा 3. What has come? 1 1 1 1. Now it will go in which table? Yes, because 3 will remain as it is. This 3 will remain as it is. Now we have to break this number. We will break it as what? See, they have divided by 101. You can look here. Why they have divided by? Because 1 1 1 1 को जब आप divide करोगे तो it will go by which table? 1 से. तो 1 1 जा 1, again 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1. Now again with 1, 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1. Again with 1, 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1. It will be continue as it is, but we have to find the factor for this number. So it will be easy for us that we find it as complete factor, like 1 1 1 1, because 1 1 1 is given, so it will definitely go with 11. 11 1 ja 11. Because we are taking two digits simultaneously, so 1 0 will come again. Okay. Now 1 1 ja 1. 11 1 ja 11. Okay. Now again we will take 11 1 ja, see, 11 1 ja 11. Okay. Again we are taking two digits simultaneously, एकदम से ले रहे हैं, तो we have to write 0 in the middle. So again 11 1 ja 11. Now see, this will not go in any of the table, because 2 5 ja 10 हो जाएगा, लेकिन 1 will remain as it is. So we will not go further. Okay, we will stop here. So our solution will remain here, that is 101 multiplied by 11. This is the last factor for this. Now what will be the answer for this? For the answer, what we write, see, we have to write this 3, because here ones we will not take. We will write this 3 here, then we will write this 3 here, we will write 101 here, then we will take 11 here, and we will multiply all these numbers and represent and leave it like this only, because we know when we will multiply all these number we will get this only. Okay, so we will leave it like this, because the factor for 9999 is this. 4-digit greatest number is this number only. Now we are going to write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in the terms of its prime factor. So for the 5-digit, it is asking 5-digit smallest number. So 5-digit smallest number is this 10,000. 10000. Okay, got it? It is asking smallest. अगर आप yes, so now we have to make the factor for this. Yes, it is 0 0. Either it will go with 5 or either it will go with 10, because it is having 10 and rest numbers are 0. So first of all it will go with 2. So write here 2. 2 5 ja 10. अब रेस्ट 3 zeros आर रिमेनिंग. 3 0 को हम ऐसे ही लिख देंगे एज इट इज़. ओके. नाउ 2 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर, तो इट विल रिमेन here only, it will not move. Now we will go for this 5. You divided by again by 2, because it is last digits are 0. So 2 2 2 जा 4. 1 इधर आ गया. 2 5 जा 10, फिर ये 2 0 बच गए, 2 0 will come here. Okay, now this will stop here, we will not take it as further. Now we will go for 25. This you can see here, this 2500. So 2500 goes in the table of 5 also and goes in the table of 25 also. Let's do with the 5 number. 5 5 जा 25, 2 0 के 2 0 आ जाएंगे and it is a prime number, it will stop here. Now we will go for this. 2 2 जा 4, 1 इधर आ गया, 2 5 जा 10, 0. ठीक है, अब हम इसको प्राइम, इट इज़ प्राइम नंबर, वी विल स्टॉप हेयर, वी विल गो फॉर दिस. 2 2 जा 4, 1 will go here, 2 5 जा 10. So we will then we will stop here and we will go for 25. So 5 multiply 5 is 5. 25 का फैक्टर क्या होगा? 5 into 5, it will be this. And जो रेस्ट नंबर्स जो हमारे ज़ीरोज़ बच रहे हैं, दैट विल बी अवर आंसर ऑफ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस नंबर. यू कैन सी हेयर, सी हाउ मेनी 2 आर हेयर, 1 2, ये बच गए यहाँ पे 2. देन दिस लास्ट में देखो पेयरिंग करके कितने 5 बच रहे हैं, यू कैन काउंट 1 5 2 5 3, oh sorry 3 5 4 5. So you can see in the answer 4 5s are there and 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2s are there. You can see here, look here, 4 2 are there and 4 5s are here. Okay, now next question is find all the prime factors of 1729, arrange them in ascending order. Now state the relation, if any, between two consecutive prime numbers. You have to find the prime factor for this number, it means it is given to you already. So it will be 1729. You have to find for this. See, it is for finding, it will come in which table. I have already told you the what method, divisibility test. You have to learn that divisibility test because it is not containing 0 2 4 6, so it will not go in the table of 2. Now we will go for 3. 3 का क्या है, sum, sum should be divisible by 3. ऐड करो इनको, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 2 plus is 19. It will not go in the table of this. We will go for 4, we will go for 5, we will go for 6, we will go for 7. Same way we will continue, and you can see in the picture that is it is going with the table of 7. Okay, now let me show you. It is going in the table of 7, like here 7 7 2 ja is 14, 14 15 16 17, 3 इधर आ जाएगा 2 के साथ में, तो 32 हो जाएगा. 7 7 जा 49 नहीं होगा, 7 5 जा 35, फिर 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14, 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28, 7 4 जा 28 हो गया. अब 28 था यहाँ पे, तो 32 था, देखो ये 3 इधर आ गया था बिकॉज, तो 32 माइनस 24 इज़ 24, 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32, 8 हो गया. अब 8 को हम कहाँ ले गए, 8 नहीं, इट विल बी 7. देखो 7 7 2 जा 14 15 16 17, 3 बचा, 3 इधर आ गया, तो 32 हो गया. 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14, 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28. 28 में 32 माइनस करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, 4 आ जाएगा. इट मीन्स जो 4 है वो कहाँ चला गया, इधर 9 के साथ में, तो 49 हो गया. तो 7 7 जा 49, तो ये हो गया 249. अब 249 को फिर ब्रेक करेंगे. अब 249 देखो किसके टेबल में जाएगा, अगेन यू चेक, it will go in the table. You have to check yourself, okay, because it is containing 9 at the last. It means either it will go with the table of 3 or 7 or you can say 13, okay, and 19. These are the table in which these 9 numbers can go if unit place is 9. So it is going as 19 into 13. You can do check here like this, because for divisibility of 3 it is 9 plus 2 is 11, 13 14 15 16 हो रहा है, तो 3 से नहीं जाएगा. इट विल नॉट गो विद 9 ऑल्सो, इट विल नॉट गो विद 7 ऑल्सो. क्यों, क्योंकि 7 3 जो 21 हो जाएगा, 21 22 23 24, 3 उधर चले जाएगा 9 के साथ में, तो 3 39 तो 7 की टेबल में आता नहीं है. सो वी विल नॉट गो फॉर 7, तो इट विल गो इन द टेबल ऑफ 13 ओनली. ओके, एंड द रिमेनिंग नंबर इज 9 हेयर. बिकॉज 13 वन जा 13 हो जाएगा. जब 13 को 24 से हम वो करेंगे तो 13 वन जा 13 हो जाएगा. तो 24 माइनस 13 विल बी वॉट 11 119. So again you will divide it by which number? 119 comes in the table of 13 or not? You have to check it. When you will divide it na class, you will get 13 into 19. Okay, because 13 वन जा 13 हो जाएगा. So 4 minus 3 13 वन जा 13 26 is greater. तो 13 3 जा 39 हो जाएगा. So 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. तो it will be 119. तो 119 comes in the table of 3 or not? See, now it is 7. Yes, that's why I am telling why it is getting wrong. Again I am telling you this question same way. 1729. This is 9. Okay, so it is going in the table of 7. 7 to ja 14, 15, 16, 17. तो 3 कहाँ चला गया 2 के साथ. ओके, तो 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28. अभी कितना हो गया 3 2 32 हो गया. तो 32 कम्स इन द टेबल ऑफ 7 और नॉट. 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28, 7 5 जा 35 इज ग्रेटर हो जाएगा. तो 7 4 जा 28. ठीक है, तो फिर इधर कितने चले जाएंगे 32 माइनस 28 इज 4 रिमाइंडर. तो 49 हो जाएगा. तो 7 7 जा 49. ओके, now it will go in the table of, now you can count 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. It means it can go in the table of either 7 or 13. Okay, yes. तो 13 वन जा 13 हो गया. फिर कितना रिमाइंडर बचा 11. 13 वन जा 13, 13 वन जा 13 हो गया. तो इट विल बी 4 माइनस 3 इज 1 एंड 4 माइनस 3 इज 1 एंड 2 माइनस 1 इज 1. अब ये 7 यहाँ आ गया. जब हमने इन दोनों को डिवाइड करा यहाँ साइड, यू कैन डिवाइड 13 बाई 2 to 7. सो यू विल गेट रिमाइंडर 117. 13 9 जा इज 117. ओके, सो इट मीन व्हाट विल रिमेन हेयर? हेयर विल बी 9. तो 13 9 जा कितना होता है जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 247. नो 13 9 जा नहीं 13 19 जा. बिकॉज 13 सी अगेन यू सी, जब आप इसको डिवाइड करोगे तो वॉट एवर आंसर क्वेश्चन एज अ क्वेश्चन यू आर गेटिंग दैट यू हैव टू राइट हेयर. सो 13 वन जा 13 हो गया था. फिर 13 9 जा, क्योंकि 1 1 यहाँ आ गए थे तो 13 9 जा 117 हो गया. ओके, सिंपली आपको डिवाइड करके शो कर देना है. सो फैक्टर फॉर दिस इज 7 into 13 into 19 as you can see here. Okay, look at question number 8. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is always divisible by 4. Odd numbers are what? Which are not divisible by 2. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. It means it is saying that जो sum है दो numbers का consecutive and it should be odd also and it should be divisible by 4. देखो, you have to take the numbers odd, two odd numbers, and the sum should be divisible by 4. So what odd numbers you have? 3 5 7 and 9. Same way, take any two odd numbers. Take these two odd numbers. 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. It is saying sum of any two odd numbers should be divisible of what? Which number? 4. Now 4 divided by 12, it is divisible. Yes, so 4 3 ja is 12, completely divisible. So we will write the statement this one. 5 plus 7 is equals to 12 and 12 is divisible by 4. These are the odd numbers. Like they have taken 3 plus 5 is equals to 8 and 8 is divisible by 4. So you have to add any two odd numbers and that the sum should be divisible by 4. If it holds this property, then the statement is true for all the numbers which you are writing. Okay. Now see, now you have to see question number 10. What is given? Determine if 25110 is divisible by 45. See, we have to check the divisibility test for 45. Now it is giving us hint that 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. Test the divisibility of a number by 5 and 9. First you check the divisibility by 5 and 9. So the prime factorization of 45 is what? 5 into 9. Simple is that. Now the question is given to you is 25110 is divisible by 5 because its unit place contains 0. So it is divisible by 5. And 25110 is divisible by 9 because for 9 and 3 we do the sum for the number, like 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 and 9. So it is divisible by 9. Same way they have taken in the third line this, that it is the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So therefore the number must be divisible by 5 into 9, that is 45. क्योंकि देखो हमें check, we have to check for this कि क्या ये 45 से डिविजिबल है. एंड व्हाट वाज द फैक्टर फॉर 49? 9 into 5 because 9 is this number is divisible by 9 and this number is also divisible by 5. So it means if the factors are divisible by that number, so it means the number also divisible by that number. Okay, so this is true for this. Same way you can see the last question. I am a smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? It is saying I am a smallest number and I am having 4 different prime factors. Any 4 prime numbers you take, any 4 smallest, that is starting from, you can take 2, 3, 5 and 7. Hence the required number because it is asking smallest number होना चाहिए, तो आप कोई से भी फर्स्ट प्राइम नंबर्स ले लो. एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द 4 डिफरेंट प्राइम फैक्टर्स. कैन यू फाइंड मी? तो you first take smallest 4 prime number, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, and you have to find its factor. So just simply multiply it. Whatever answer you will get, it means that will be the factor for all these prime numbers or prime factors. Okay children, now what you have to do this, that you have to practice questions related to the prime factorization and whatever we have discussed today, and it will be easy for you. Okay, now take care and Sairam. We will meet in our next class. I hope you, if you all will do, you will get to know what we have discussed today.